So I wanted to share a screen recording website with you guys because it's great, so easy, free, wonderful. It's called Loom. You click on it. I'm filming from my phone because it won't let me create a Loom about Loom. Anyway, over here, you click record video, and then you can choose whether you want just your screen showing, or if you would like screen and camera, which would put on your little camera down here. So, there it is, there I am, haha. Okay, or you can just say screen only or camera only, so you could actually record yourself talking, which would be great if you wanted to, make a video for parents and you weren't having to show your screen. You just wanted to show yourself. So it would make this like full size. So let's go ahead and just say screen only for now. You can have your little logo show up from your personal settings, or you can just X that out right there. And so then you hit start recording, and you choose that you want your full screen to show, and you hit share, and it counts you down, doot, 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 and now you're recording. So you're recording and you're like, okay, so then we're gonna go here to clever and blah, blah, blah. So you're giving your whole little lesson, yada, 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 showing the screen. The whole screen's recording. And now we're done, okay? So we've made our video and we're gonna click finish recording. As soon as you finish recording, the second you finish recording, your video is right here. This is my favorite thing about it. You can come right here and name it. So I'm gonna put tech tip share. And there it goes. I'm gonna come right up here to share. And I can either email it to people, or I can come right here and say anyone with the link can view it, and hit copy link. And I'm gonna come here to our new teacher tech tip share. So let's see, they wanted it right here with our videos, right? Make sure I'm in the right spot. Yes, okay. So I'm going to add this, and I'm gonna type in my title. Let's see, Loom. Sorry, I can't type and hold my phone at the same time. Screen casting site. And this link can be shared like in emails and stuff too. I just wanted to share it here with you guys because it has been great for virtual learners. Or let's say you had a kid that was absent and you wanted to just give them a quick little lesson, or maybe you just had a parent that needs to know, like, oh, my child can't find your stuff in the folder. You could do a quick little screencast. Open this folder, here it is, this is what you do. You know, it's great for absent kids. And so I'm just gonna add this here, and you guys can watch it, but it is literally that easy. I can go to my email, I can send the link through email. I can put the link in Schoology for my absent kids. You know, if you were absent today, watch this link. Literally takes them straight to the video you just made. So I hope that helps. I think it's a 15-minute time limit. During the pandemic, they were giving full access to teachers. So don't quote me on how long your Loom can be, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. Talk to you later.